What if tayo na lang ulit? Baka pwede pang ipilit. Kahit minsan lang tumigil, baka pwede pang maulit.
Two old friends
Sa muli nating pagtagpo, sa parehas nating yugto, sana ay muling pagmamahalang binubuo.
Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence?
Tila ang dami kong tanong na ikaw ang siyang sagot. Tila ang dami kong sana na ikaw ang siyang pag-asa.
Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his
Ngayon,
life,
baka pwede
and
na
it feels
na
so
muling
right.
magsisimula.
Maybe this time
Relasyon nating nawala,
love won't end.
muli nating itutugma.
It's the same old feeling back again.